After last night's flight in complete darkness, I returned to the same industrial area this morning. Cold air, a thin layer of frost, and a soft mist drifting between the buildings. I lifted off above the familiar rooftops, gliding toward the highway where the first light revealed quiet streams of traffic below. And in the distance, a factory and a line of wind turbines slowly emerging through the haze. Flying over the highway, the early traffic moved in quiet, steady lines beneath me. The cold air and the soft morning mist gave everything that still, muted feeling you only get on New Year's Eve. From there, I drifted back toward the garden center, the same spot I visited yesterday. The small fountain in the pond was still running, keeping the water around it from freezing, a tiny circle of movement in an otherwise frosty morning. And even in this cold, soft dawn light, the Neo 2 holds up surprisingly well. The image is cleaner, the colors fall gently into place. And for a drone this small, the footage is more than acceptable. Calm, usable, and quietly cinematic, circling gently over the open roof of the garden center. The small wooden castle below comes into view, a quiet little playground resting in the cold morning air. The frost on the surrounding rooftops gives everything a still, crisp look, and the tiny structure feels almost like a hidden world tucked inside the building. The Neo 2's biggest strength is its size, easy to carry, affordable, and a drone you don't mind taking a bit more risk with. In this flight, I focused on image quality, and in the morning light it performed surprisingly well. Little noise, solid colors with a light boost, excellent stabilization, and more than enough range. Even in the dark, it holds up better than expected. A bit more grain in the shadows, but still usable, and unlike the first Neo, this one can actually fly at night. So no, it's not a high-end camera drone, but for its size and price, the Neo 2 delivers far more than you'd think.